Hello friends, Running Kimono here. This is your Walgreens preview for February the 25th to March the 2nd. First thing we're going to talk about are these two boosters. I got both of them on both of my store accounts. The one on the top, 10 back when you spend 30 on beauty. I think most of us should have it because it's in the old flyer. And we have a 7 back when you spend 25, but yours might be a little bit less or a little bit more than mine. But the front page of the flyer, if you look on the left-hand side, it says clip your $10 reward, blah, blah, blah. And this is valid till the 23rd of March. So there it is. Most of us should get that one. Now, if you missed it earlier in the week, I made a YouTube short saying that Valentine's Day merchandise between 70 to 80% off, depending where you live in the US. But if you're looking for this cutesy stuff, you might want to be on the lookout in-store only. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday, February the 25th. This is a preview. So the first deal we're going to look at is with the Colgate Toothpaste. The item's at $4 a pop. We have, I believe, a 5 off 2, and then a $4 reward when you buy 2. So, grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be 8, subtracting that digital coupon, and on Sunday we're going to have to double, triple check that that's in fact a 5 off 2. You're going to pay 3, get back a $4 register reward. It essentially makes it a freebie and a $1 money maker, and it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but the digital coupon, the specifics of it, is going to have to be verified on Sunday morning. Everybody's favorite, the Olay or Old Spice body wash. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon and a 5 off 3 reward when you buy 3 of them. So we're going to be looking for the items at $7 a pop, 3 of the Olay body washes for $21. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $16. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $11 for the 3 or $3.66 per body wash. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Sometimes the men's Old Spice is a bit cheaper than the ladies' Olay, so we're going to have to double, triple check that on Sunday morning. Everybody's favorite, the Pantene Shampoo at $5 a pop. We're going to be grabbing 3 of these. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon, and there's a promotion of a $4 register reward when you buy 3. Here's the deal. 3 of those Pantenes at $5 is $15. Subtracting your 5 off 3 digital, you're going to pay $10. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $6 for the 3 or $2 per shampoo. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but definitely a stock-up price for Pantene. Now, this one's kind of interesting. It says $9.99, and usually when Gillette and is part of this promotion, Venus is as well. So grabbing 2 of these razors, it's obviously going to be more than $9.99, but we're going to look for the cheapest on Sunday. But 2 of them for $9.98, subtracting a $3 off for each, you're going to pay $13.98 for the 2, and then get back a $5 register reward, making it $8.98 for the 2, like $4.50 per razor. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Everybody's favorite, the $5.49 premium line P&G laundry care. So for this one, I usually grab a Tide liquid, a Tide pod that usually has the $1.50 coupons, and then grab 2 Gain products as well with the $1 coupons. So grabbing 4 of these laundry care products is $21.96. Subtracting $5 in digitals, you're going to pay $16.96 out of pocket. Get back a $5 register reward. It makes it $11.96 for the 4 or $2.99 for Tide, which is a very good price point. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now, if you love PopTarts, this is another fabulous deal, 3 for $5, so it's even a better deal than the previous week for this one. So you're going to grab 3 of these boxes of PopTarts, and they are the 8 counters. We have this digital coupon from last week, so if you didn't use it. However, if you did the Dawn dish soap deal where you have that $1 register reward, throw that in instead. 3 of these is 5 on the nose. Subtracting the digital, you're going to pay $4 out of pocket for the 3. It shakes it out to $1.33 per box of PopTarts. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but $1.33 for one of these boxes. It's a totally stock-up price, even if you're not a big fan of this. You never know when you might need it if you have visitors or something like that, or somebody in the larger family loves these and they're like, oh, there's no more Pop-Tarts left in the US. And you'll be like, I have some in my stockpile. Problem solved. Little diaper deal here is 2 for $21 for the Pampers. Huggies has all the IBOTTA rebates, but this is the deal this week. $4 reward when you buy 2, and we have currently one $2 digital coupon. On Sunday, will there be more? That's the question. Grabbing 2 of these bags is $21 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $19. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $15 for the 2 or $7.50 per bag. That's still a little bit, so I would definitely try and do this deal with a booster, and you'd have to just pay with your debit card for the balance of this because it's a big one out of pocket. And definitely Sunday check for more digital coupons. It's a newish product. It's called the Old Spice Total Body or the Secret Whole Body Deodorant. So it's like a spray or a deodorant that you can use for the whole body. Grabbing 2 of these at $12.99, it's $25.98. Subtracting the digital coupon, you're going to pay $15.98 for the 2. That is still a lot out of pocket. So if you wanted to throw in like the 7 back when you spend $25, or if a register reward is printing for this, something we'll have to investigate on Sunday. But if you just want to buy these on its own, yes, you can use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance if you're doing it with no booster, but it's still quite a bit out of pocket. Okay, so let's take a quick look at some honorable mentions. As many of you know, a lot of the Tom's of Mainline has been on clearance at many of the pharmacies, but a $2 reward when you buy 2. I know that my pharmacy a couple weeks back, they were 75 cents. I mean, I would love that on a BOGO 50% off. If you may be so lucky, this might be your big score. And we also have the Persil at $6.49 with a $2 digital coupon, making that bottle $4.49. Will you use $4 in Walgreens cash and call it 49 cents out the door? Possibly, maybe. And we have the 4 for $10 with the lower tier P&G laundry care products. So it is the Tide Simply, the Bounce, that one. It's a smaller amount of detergent and stuff. The other deal's a little bit better, I think. And then we have the Oscar Mayer Bacon, 2 for $10. $6.99 is the regular price, so almost $7. So some tremendous savings for a lot of you that are on the keto diet or doing carnivore. This might be a light snack for you, a pound of bacon. And we also have very high value digital coupons for the Love, Beauty, and Planet and the Head and Shoulders. At the very least, if there is no deal, load the coupons. There might be a deal in the next coming weeks as the week marches on. So before I take off, guys, just a little bit of photo evidence of somebody trying to ruin my coupon haul. We have Gizmo with his paws all over my Dollar General penny haul, but I allowed it because he's cute. And in case you missed it, on Thursday I made a video on just like the basic mechanics on how to penny shop over at the Dollar General. I have 7 quick steps for a lot of you that are just not sure. You might want to check out this video because it's a lot of fun when you can get carts full of like detergent and whatever for a penny each. And I'm still stumbling on some pretty amazing deals. So if you are just an avid pharmacy shopper and you are very curious about the Dollar General, this is the video for you. I'll link it at the very end. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.